galing o talento sa anumang paraan na naisin nito. Alin sino dito, inaanyayahan ko kayong lahat na manood sa Abril 30, oras na alas 7, Capitol Building, ang pinakaabangan ng lahat, ang koronasyon ng LIMGAS Pangasinan 2011. Ako po si Yung Indo, mas pwedeng lang kayo ang nagsasabi. Santos yan at kaya si Kayo ng Mito.
You're the actress.
Do you want to see my acting prowess? Well, it goes a little something like this. One night, when I'm fast asleep, then suddenly, on a trigger, you're looking at that came into my... Who are you? Why are you here? Oh, please, don't hurt me. You can scream. See, acting is easy.
You're the singer and dancer.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. One night, you once saw my love and devotion. The one I love so the line.